This is Giji from Gijis Channel. Today I am going to talk about the Aickar 800 ampere gem starter kit. It is one of the new lithium ion models. Instead of asking someone to use their vehicle to jumpstart yours, you could use this device for jumpstart. By keeping this small compact device in your vehicle, you could jumpstart your vehicle without anyone's aid anywhere, anytime. The Aickar kit portable jump starter and its accessories, including the car battery jumper cable, are well packed in a nice strong zipper case. It is a pretty strong zipper case. So this one comes with a user manual, jump starter user manual. Then the accessories that are included are one 15 volt 1 ampere AC adapter, and then it's coming with the jump starter. This is the one that came, that's a power pack, so it came with that. And then it has got a battery clamp cable, so this is a battery clamp cable. And then it has got a cigarette lighter adapter. So then it has got 1 in 8 laptop charging cable, so if you want to connect to a laptop. Then it has got the USB charging cable. It has got the car charger, it has got the car charger, then the USB charging cable. Let's look at the jump starter. It is small enough to fit in your jeans pocket. The length is 8.62 inch and the height is 1.07 inch and the width is 3.57 inch. It weighs only 2.8 pounds, and also you can place them easily inside your glove box. Let's see, this is your power on and off. That's a power on and off. It has got the indicator which shows how much charge. Right now this is fully charged, and these are the different charge levels: 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. It is fully charged. It has got a jump start socket. Where is that socket? It's right here. This is a jump start socket. It has got a 2-watt LED flashlight with bright and strobe modes. So if you want to see the light, it's going to show up like this. It has got the bright and strobe modes, and if you want to turn it off, just turn it off and it's going to turn it off. It has got 2 USB ports. Where are the 2 USB ports? It's right here. 2 USB port, one 5 volt 2 ampere and the other one at 5 volt 1 ampere. It has got a 15 volt input. This is where you are going to plug it to the wall, and you can plug it there. There are 2 outputs, DC one at 12 volt 10 ampere and the other one at 10 volt 3.5 ampere. Before we start using it, please charge it fully. It can take up to 6 hours to charge. The jumper cable features more than 5 advanced safety technology that includes reverse polarity protection, overcurrent protection, overload protection, or voltage protection, overcharge protection, making it totally safe for anyone to use it. The Aickar is a power pack with 19,800 milliampere hours of battery capacity. So it's nothing. Milliampere is how much electric charge the battery can provide. It can provide sufficient power to charge your smartphones, tablets, laptops, Kindle, iPad, and many more. I am just going to show you how you could charge a laptop and phone with this. So for this I need this cable, and then I am going to take one. This is a adapter, and then I need to put this on one side. So once that is done, so I am going to put it on the other side of the power pack and put it on the computer, connect to the computer. This is how you, then once you do that, then turn it on. That's it. And it should not take that long to charge the laptop. So once that is done, so one more thing, I just want to show you how to charge a cell phone. So I have this cable here. It's very easy, it's not that difficult. So you are just going to put it in one of the USB slot, and that's how you're going to charge it. So it's charging now. So it has got 8% charge and it's charged. Okay, you could also start any gas engine vehicle, diesel engine vehicles, motorcycles and boats, and up to 4.5 liter vehicles. You can jump start up to 30 times on a single charge. I just want to mention some pros and cons of this. This is very easy to use. There are lots of safety features. I already mentioned that. It's a powerful jump starting capability. But there is one cons I noticed it. Actually, there is no actual warranty provided. In the event of defect, return to place of purchase within 30-day return policy to receive full refund. So guys, I just want to show you how the system is working, and we basically need only a couple of things. We need the Aickar power pack. That's one of the things that we need, and the other thing we need is the cable. These are the only things we needed. It's very cold outside. Yesterday we had some snow and it's only 13 degrees today. Let's see how the system works. And I know that my car is dead. I have a new battery. I bought it from Honda. They says it has got about 100-month limited warranty, but in less than a year it is dead now. It's dead. I don't know what happened. Let's see. Anyway, that's a different thing. Let's see if the car is working or not. I'm putting my car in the ignition. See, nothing. Nothing is working. So let's test the system now. So I'm taking it outside. I'm taking the camera. Let me put my camera somewhere here, and so we can see it correctly what is going on there. So I have the power pack. It's right here. So let me set it here for time being, and I'm going to put the cable. So I'm going to put the positive on the red one right here, and I have the negative one. I'm going to put this one right here. So once that is done, I'm bringing my power pack. I need to open the slot. This is where we are going to put this thing. So make sure we are putting it. You see the sludge over here. There's a sludge here, and we can put in that format in the correct way. So now that is attached. Let's see. Okay, as we discussed before, it's showing correct. Everything is done correctly. So if it is not correctly, it's going to show as reverse. So now everything is done. I am going to go to the car and let me see if that thing is going to work or not. Let's see. Guys, it's working. It's really good. Working. Thank you. And taking this out. It's done. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.